Good morning student. Now in this session we are going to read and learn the next part of this lesson. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. In the first period we have seen that a family of 6 persons landed on an desert and island. They faced many difficulties to survive themselves. But after some days they settled very well there. They built 2 houses for their shelter, but due to some reason they changed their houses. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. When they built the cave house, but there was no sunlight, so it is felt oppressive. To remedy this, Father and Jack rigged up a new light. And to overcome this, Father and Jack rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Jack and Father found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that had rescued from the ship. When they secured the bamboo one place, Jack climbed up to the top of that pole and he hung a large oil lamp that they rescued from the ship. One day they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. Then one day they found that the family's huts had been completely destroyed, means someone destroyed their huts. And not only their huts but also the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. There were huge footmarks everywhere. They saw a huge footmarks everywhere. Father saw massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. When father saw the carefully whose footprints were that, he saw that the footprints belonging to an elephant's herd, means elephant's herd came and destroyed their herd and also ruined their cultivation land. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. So, the family next morning began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated fields. They also finalized their ideas about the new residence. Then they also finalized their idea about the new residence. Rather than building a house on slits which the elephant could knock down easily, they would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. And so the next morning the family decided their new foundation for their house. They founded 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart, and the trees have equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus they built another safe home, and in this way they built another safe home from themselves. 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men. In this way, on the island, the family spent their 10 years and the young boys now became young men. And their parents were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. The parents were very proud on their children. They called this island as New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years, means in between the 10 years they face many adventures in their life. Now we are going to see this part of the lesson on digital board.
Safe and breezy. It was going to be winter soon, So the father thought of creating a safe home to protect the family and their belongings from the harsh winter. Fritz gave an idea of living in a cave, but they were unable to find any cave. So together, they carved a cave from a huge rock. They used tools like axes, chisels, hammers, and shovels. And in a few weeks, they cut a door and windows for air and sunlight. With collective efforts, the new home was ready with 4 rooms and a fireplace too. It was a perfect winter home. But this third home looked scary due to low light, so they hung a large oil lamp on a bamboo pole and rigged up, that is, arranged for a new light. One day, they found one of their huts completely destroyed by an elephant herd. Also, the fields that they had cultivated was destroyed. Now they had to think of a new residence again. This time, they used 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. This was their 4th home, which couldn't be trampled by animals. 10 years passed by, and the young boys grew into young men. They named the tropical island New Switzerland. One day, Fritz knocked down, that is,
on the shore of another island. Fritz had knocked down an albatross which was threatening to attack him and found a rat tied at the large bird's leg. One day, when Fritz was on the another island, he found a albatross, means a long-winged seabird, a large long-winged seabird. He threatened to attack on Fritz, but Fritz found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. On the rag was a message that the English woman had been stranded on the Smoking Rock, and when he catched the bird and untied the tied large bird's leg, he saw a message on it, and the message was, someone English woman had been stranded on the Smoking Rock. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. On seeing the message, Fritz was confused. He was not able to understand who sent this message and how long this message was. His father suggested that Smoking Rocks sounded like a reference to a volcano. When his father saw this message, he suggested Fritz Smoking Rock means this reference to the volcanoes. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. And where they live on that island or near that place, there were no volcanoes. So father thought that the birds must have come from hundreds of miles away, where the volcanoes take place. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. But Fritz felt that someone needed his help because he got the message. So he decided to save the person. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. And before returning home, Fritz write some message and retied it on the albatross leg and watched the birds fly. The note told whoever received it, do not despair. And he wrote on the note that, do not despair, help is near, means I am going to help you. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. Then Fritz searched for the helper person, and he was successful to rescue the young woman whose name was Jenny Montrose. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. When she came in the Robinson family, first she became shy to mix in them, but soon she used to live with that family. One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor, and encampment had been set up on one of the smaller islands. Then, in this way, the days were passing, and one day Fritz and his father saw a ship at the side of the island. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. When Fritz and his father saw the ship from their spyglasses, they decided to announce themselves. They decided to expose themselves. Who are they? They wanted to tell the shipmen. They did not want the crew to think they were savage, because they did not want that the crew, means the persons who were on the ship, did not think they were savages, means wild men. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. And the next day, father and Fritz went to the ship captain and they told their story, before which story took place before 10 years, and they also told the story of Jenny. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. And they were very surprised, they were very shocked by knowing that the ship's captain was Jenny's father, and he were on search of his daughter. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her, and his father believed that after 3 years his daughter was still alive, and so the captain had decided to attempt to find her. With a burst of celebration, the family, passengers and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. And in this way, the total family celebrate their joys. And the family, passenger, crew, everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. And when the shipmen, the crew saw that all the family which came before 10 years on the island and Jenny who lost before 3 years, they all were prosperity. They were all were in good health. They were very surprised. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. And when the day ended, father realized that decision should be made who will live on the island and who should go to the Switzerland. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. And at the end, Elizabeth and her husband did not decide to go anywhere. They decided to live on the island. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life, because they mixed with the island atmosphere and they did not want to leave that place. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Jenny asked the other persons if anyone is interested to support her to return England. Fritz was the first to respond, and Fritz wanted to went to England. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island, and Ernest decided to stay with his father and mother. Jack also decided to stay back. Jack too decided to stay with her family. Franz and youngest boy decided to join Fritz in living, but Franz, the youngest boy, decided to go with Fritz and Jenny. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education, because Franz wanted to take an academic education. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and he wished to marry her. And before leaving, Fritz declared that he was going to marry with Jenny. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had had on the island, and then father gave always kept a record of all the adventures, which adventures they faced from the starting to the end of their island. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. Then the ship departed, and he handed the journals to the captain of the ship to publish, and the ship departed. Now we are going to see this part on the digital board, and in this way we finish our second lesson.
Fritz knocked down, that is, hit hard, an albatross, that is, a seabird. He noticed a rag tied to its leg. The rag had a message written on it by an English woman that she was stranded on a smoking rock. Fritz and his father had no idea about any place named Smoking Rock. But still, Fritz was determined to search the lady. He tied another message on the bird's leg. Don't despair, help is near. He then went in a boat to search the woman, and soon he reached a place where he saw some smoke rising. Finally, he was successful and able to find the English woman. The woman Jenny Montrose had been stranded for 3 years on that lonely island and had survived all alone. After being rescued, Jenny began to live with the Robinson family. One day, a big ship laid anchor near the island. Father checked the ship with a spyglass, and then, after assuring that they were harmless, the family went to meet them. Checked the ship with a spyglass, and then, after assuring that they were harmless, the family went to meet them. Actually, the ship had come in search of Jenny. Her father, in spite of 3 years having passed by, still believed that Jenny was alive, and so he inspired the captain to search her. They all were very happy. The captain and the crew visited the island, New Switzerland, and were amazed by its prosperity and how the family survived on their own for years. Now, it was time for the Swiss family to take some serious decisions. William, Elizabeth, Ernest, and Jack decided to stay back on the island forever, while Fritz wished to marry Jenny and go to England. The youngest son, Franz, also decided to go to England for good quality education. The father had by then written about their adventures in a book, which he gave to Fritz for publishing. And then the ship left for England. Thus, the story ends with a happy ending. All's well that ends well.